Go.
Hi guys, Eric here again. Today, Jay's at my house, rainy day, just like the other video. And today, he's gonna shoot my BB gun. It's a SIG-Sauer P226, it says right here. Made in Taiwan, not those cheap ones made in China. Because I did buy one and it was broken already. No offense, just Taiwan and Japan are the best leading BB gun makers, so no offense, China. I still love your food and stuff, just the products aren't as good. Anyway, well, I'm gonna load it for you guys. First, if you get this exact same model, there's gonna be a little spring right here. You wanna pull it down till you hear this click. Once you hear that and you let go your finger, it's right here. It's not done, okay? So it like doesn't come back up. If you're gonna load the BBs, always press this button down or else the BBs won't go in. For example, if you grab a BB,
Oh, that one fell.
Here it is. Ugh. Thanks. If you keep it like this and you don't press the button, the baby will stick there, and then you have to press it down. You don't want that. It hurts your thumb and it leaves a mark. So press that button. Now the baby just automatically go down. Just like that. Not worry about the extra. Once you're done with this, if you just press this button and like you load the gun, the BBs won't automatically come up. So you have to press this button that releases the spring. So every time a BB comes out, it like gets another one in its place. And so that's the magazine part. Loading. If you've done shooting and like you're out of bullets, this button right here, close to the trigger, press that, comes back out. If you want to keep it on safe, there's a black switch. And if you want it on like super safe, there's another switch right here, click that. But I never use that, so yeah. And of course, if you want to take the gun apart, there's this thing here. You want to press it on the flat side, like that. Take this out, hold the trigger down, and then like you have access to the whole gun. BB stuck in here, take it out. So anyway, here's a gun. You can't load it like this because it doesn't work. Anyway, so you have to load it by pulling back. And so this is Jay's first time shooting my other gun because this
That one. The first time shooting that one.
because Jay shot my other ones that I brought from Peru.
And a shotgun.
Yeah,
that
my
one's
shotgun.
pretty sick.
Yeah.
Okay, I got around 25 minutes, so let's do this.
You go.
Yeah, let's walk on to your terrace.
I'll
Is that what
take
you
it.
call it? Terrace? Yeah.
Balcony or whatever. It's not loaded, so.
Things clear.
I know. I was hoping for a black one. Dun dun. Dun dun. Chef in the kitchen. Woo. Secret identity.
What are you looking at?
Myself in the mirror.
Okay.
Okay, so today we're going to be trying shooting
That
tree. If you can see that big, thick tree.
Whoa.
Just throw them out. Just put them back in if you want. Wait, not yet, not yet. Somebody's in. Let's shoot the people.
Zoom in on the tree.
Shoot the tree.
On the fat tree. Okay.
Okay, that's the tree that
Okay,
Jay's
okay,
going to
okay.
shoot.
Hold on, I'm just gonna. Well, hold on. Zoom out really quick. Zoom out. Let's do this.
Wait, let me zoom in. Make sure you don't hit the tree.
And then take a test shot.
Ooh, he hit it. See that, guys?
Okay, zoom in as far
I
as you
did.
can. Is that it? Okay, there you go. Okay.
There you go. See that, guys? Did you see that flying thing? That's Jay.
Okay. Okay, I'll see if you can see it again. Dude, really?
Sorry.
Hit it again. Now I'm going to do a view from the actual gun. Zoom out.
Ooh.
Okay.
So now this is the gun beater.
I'm just gonna rest this tier. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm gonna rest this right here, and I will zoom in. Actually, Eric, can you tilt this down a little bit? I'm gonna hit the power box. Will that penetrate it? No, it won't. Okay, just hold it down. Hold it down like that. Like zoom in on the power box.
Wait.
Okay, I'll just do it then.
Now I'll just grab this.
Oh, you guys saw that. On the back, Down. I thought you could hit that guy in the balcony. Richard, no, it has to be on the back. What are you trying to do, protect it or something?
No, I'm trying to. Wait.
Just hold it like this.
Alright. You're gonna try to hit the power box, right?
Yep.
Power box.
You guys will see. They're still looking. Sorry guys, there's a guy looking. Right there. Okay, put it down.
That dude might be a spy. We don't know. He can't see us, or else we'll be arrested.
Okay, I'm gonna try to hide it here. Are you zoomed in on it?
Yep.
Oh, that curve. Hit it. Okay, so looking now. What's super close? What's super close that the... Okay, I'm gonna try and shoot that tree that's right there. See that? Over there. Okay.
A thick one.
Did you get that?
Oh no, let me zoom out.
Okay, I'm gonna try and hit. Yeah, I'm gonna try and hit the thick tree. There you go.
Thick tree. Did you guys see that?
I'm gonna try and put this in slow-mo.
Right there.
Okay, there it goes.
Oh, it's out of BBs.
Dang it. Actually, no. Hold on, you guys. There's one on the floor. There's two on the floor.
Right there. Dude, there's a third one right there.
Hold on. Sorry, you guys.
We're out of bullets. We're getting to the load. Hi. He's spying on us. Secret agent man. Secret agent man.
Okay, let's turn it over to the tree over here.
The thick tree.
I'm sitting over here.
Switch of view. This big tree, thick tree.
Yeah.
Because it might bounce off, you know.
No, not that one. That one over there by the stairs.
Oh, the small one.
Yeah. Okay, are you zoom in? Yeah, that one. Okay, ready?
Yeah. See that?
Oh, now I got
Right
it.
there.
Hold on. Look for part 2. Bye. Push the button.